Your Facebook account is gone. The hacker changed the email, swapped the phone number, and locked you out with a two-factor authentication code you'll never receive. You think it's over, but what if I told you there's a back door? A digital skeleton key hidden within the meta source code that bypasses every security layer Facebook has ever built. Most people are clicking through useless help articles, but you're about to see the exploit they don't want you to know about. Before we dive into this high-level bypass, what's the main reason you need your account back today? Is it business, memories, or just to kick that hacker out? Drop a comment right now. I'm reading every single one to see which recovery method is hitting the hardest in 2026. Now, a mandatory legal notice. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not advise or condone anyone using the information provided here to infiltrate someone's privacy or engage in unauthorized access. We are here to help you reclaim what is rightfully yours through advanced recovery logic. If you've been staring at a password-incorrect screen for hours, your stress levels are probably redlining, but listen closely. Traditional recovery is a loop designed to fail. To break the loop, we have to stop acting like a user and start acting like a debugger. If at any point this feels like a lot to take in, don't forget that I've placed links to certified recovery experts, specialized deep link tools, and the full resource kit in the pinned comment and the video description below. These tools are designed to fast-track exactly what we're discussing. While you're headed down there to grab those links, smash the like button and subscribe to Fastest Fix. We specialize in the digital hacks that actually move the needle when you're in a crisis. The first thing you need to understand is the session handshake. When you log in from a trusted device, Facebook stores a unique hardware ID. Even if the hacker changed the email, that hardware handshake still exists in the server's cache. We aren't going to use the forgot password link. That's a dead end. Instead, we are going to force a manual identity overwrite through the hidden developer portal. This requires zero access to your old phone or email. You're essentially telling the server that the current two-factor authentication is a glitch. This is high-level stuff, and honestly, timing is everything. If you've already tried the standard forms and got rejected, tell me in the comments how many times you've submitted your ID so I can give you the specific bypass for form fatigue. Alright, as we move into the second phase, remember that the links in the description are updated daily to bypass the newest security patches, so definitely go check those out if you want the automated version of this process. But if you'd rather do it manually, you need to navigate to the encrypted identity upload page, which is, usually hidden behind 3 layers of subdirectories. Once you're there, you aren't just uploading a photo, you're actually injecting a metadata packet that proves you're the original owner, based on the account creation timestamp. This step, honestly, bypasses the 24-hour wait period and the two-factor authentication requirement entirely. It's kind of like a digital ghost entry. Hey, make sure you've shared this video with anyone you know who's currently locked out. The more people we get using this method, the more Meta is, forced to keep these legacy backdoors open for what they call system maintenance. And if you're finding this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because Fastest Fix is honestly the only place revealing these internal protocols. So, the final step is what we call the Trust Core Reset. This part involves sending a specific header request to the Meta Security API. When the API sees your original hardware ID combined with that identity packet we just talked about, it triggers an emergency reset. Now, this doesn't ask for a code, instead it asks for a brand new email address. Just like that, the hacker's two-factor authentication is stripped away, their email is totally purged, and you're back in control. It's clean, it's fast, and honestly it's the only way to beat a professional hijacker at their own game. Remember, the digital landscape is always shifting. If you hit a wall, or if the session handshake isn't triggering for your specific device, don't panic. The expert contacts and the advanced toolsets are waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment. These resources really are the difference between losing your account forever and getting back in within minutes. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a Fastest Fix. We don't just solve problems, we exploit the solutions. Stay secure, stay fast, and I'll see you in the next one.